Hi, my name is Stan, and I'm enrolled in the Collision Repair Technology program at Nashua Community College. I am confident that the instruction from the industry-certified faculty will prepare me for a career in collision repair. NCC has the same tools and technology for panel replacement, frame repair, painting, and finish work that's used by today's leading technicians. A degree in collision repair from NCC is very affordable, and employers will appreciate the experience I gain here. I really like the one-on-one instruction. If you want a career in collision repair, then NCC is the place to be.